everyone, today's drawing is for International Dance Day, and we're going to draw and color 10 different, most popular and unique dance forms from around the world. From the graceful movements of ballet to the rhythmic beats of hip-hop. Let's start with our first form of dance. Contemporary dance is a more experimental dance style that developed in the mid-20th century. It often incorporates elements from other dance styles such as ballet and modern dance, but with a focus on individual expression and creativity. Contemporary dance can be highly emotional and thought-provoking. Color the dress in different shades of green, skin in cream with a natural look, and hair in light brown following an eye-catching stage. Folk dance refers to traditional dances from different cultures around the world. These dances are often performed in groups and reflect the customs and traditions of the culture they come from. Examples of folk dances include the Mexican hat dance, the Indian bhangra, and the Scottish ceilidh. Color the hearts in orange, skirt and blouse in green and dupatta in orange. Fill the skin color. Then other girls dupatta in yellow and skirt in pink and borders in yellow again. Now draw shadows of the girls to give a complete look. Following curtains in red shade. Hip-hop is a dance style that emerged from the hip-hop music culture in the 1970s. It is characterized by high-energy movements, often involving popping, locking, and breaking. Hip-hop dance can be highly athletic and requires a great deal of strength, flexibility, and coordination. Color by giving a cream shade to the skin. The girl is in yellow and orange to give a bright look, and the boy in pink and blue. While the background is multicolor. Ballroom dance refers to a group of partner dances that are usually performed in social settings. Popular ballroom dances include the waltz, foxtrot, tango, and cha-cha. Ballroom dance requires skillful coordination between partners and often involves elegant and fluid movements. Color the boy's suit in 2 shades of brown and hair is in natural brown color. Fill skin color. Now girls dress in red. Following a gray stage. Tap dance is a dance style that focuses on rhythmic footwork and the creation of sounds with metal taps on the soles of the dancer's shoes. It originated in the United States in the mid-19th century and has since become a popular dance style around the world. Color the boy's suit in light and dark blue. Fill the cream shade and color the stage in orange and yellow. Also color the curtains in the same shade for similarity. Jazz dance originated in the early 20th century and is characterized by its syncopated rhythms and improvisation. Jazz dance often incorporates elements of ballet, tap, and contemporary dance, and is frequently performed to popular music. Color the girls' dress in yellow and pink. Now ballerinas in dark pink, then fill skin color. Color the boy's suit in maroon and shirt in purple. Following the stage in light brown. Swing dance refers to a group of partner dances that originated in the United States in the 1920s and 30s. These dances are characterized by their lively, upbeat rhythms and high-energy movements. Color the hair in brown and shoes in black. Color the girl's dress in light and dark purple, and the boy's dress in gray shade. Fill the skin color following an attractive oval stage in black, red, and white. Ballet is a highly technical dance style that originated in Italy and later developed in France. It involves precise and graceful movements, often performed on the tips of the toes, known as point work. Color the hair in brown. The dress is purple, magenta, and pink. Fill the skin in cream and give a little shading. Stars are blue in color and circles in orange to give a sparkling look. Complete the drawing with a graceful stage. Irish dance is a traditional dance form that originated in Ireland. It is characterized by fast footwork and rigid upper body movements. Irish dance has gained worldwide popularity in recent years, thanks in part to the success of shows like Riverdance. Color the border of the girl's dress in dark purple and then fill it with light purple. The top is red. Now brown for hairs and skin in cream shade, following a pink background look. Modern dance developed in the early 20th century as a reaction against the formalism of ballet. It is characterized by its focus on individual expression and experimentation with movement. Color the boy's t-shirt in red and trousers in blue and then matching shoes. Color the band, the carpet in green, and cat in pink. And there you have it, 10 different dance styles that represent the diversity and creativity of the dance world. Whether you're a fan of graceful ballet movements or the high-energy beats of hip-hop, there's something for everyone to enjoy on this International Dance Day. So put on your dancing shoes and let's celebrate the joy of dancing together. If you like the drawing, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Thanks!